She's gonna blow you away with her equestrian voice. So cover all of your fears and stow away all your pride. The royal princess is back, so bring the nightmares tonight.
She's living in the past, so you won't last without that proper care. With that well and an animate spell, you won't have long to prepare.
Away your soul and eat you up for a snack. So run away and go hide. Just keep your head out of sight. The darkness is rising again, cause this is not their night.
She's living in the past, so you won't last without that proper care. With that well and an animate spell, you won't have long to prepare.